Have you ever wondered what you're really made of? If you could shrink down, way down, smaller than an ant, smaller than a grain of sand, what would you see inside your own body? You'd find bustling cities of cells, superhighways of nerves, and strong, flexible structures holding everything together. It's a world more complex than any science fiction movie. This incredible exploration has a very cool name: Histology. It's like being a detective looking for clues about health and disease deep within the body's tissues. So what exactly is histology? It comes from two Greek words, histos, meaning tissue, and logos, meaning study. Think of it like a team. A single cell is like one player, but when you get a group of similar cells working together, that's a tissue. Imagine building a giant Lego castle. You wouldn't just dump pieces and hope for the best, you'd follow the blueprint. Histology is the blueprint for how our bodies are put together, showing how different types of cells fit together to make tissues and organs. How do scientists actually see these tiny tissues? You can't just put a piece of liver under a microscope. It's too thick and opaque. First, they preserve it, then embed it in wax, like a tiny fruit in jello. Next comes the really cool part, slicing with a microtome like a super precise deli slicer. It cuts ribbons thinner than a single red blood cell, so thin that light can pass right through them. But there's a problem. Most cells are colorless. So scientists use special dyes. Hematoxylin colors the nucleus purple, eosin colors the cytoplasm pink. Suddenly, the invisible becomes a beautiful landscape of purples and pinks under the microscope. In the entire animal kingdom, our bodies are built from just 4 main types of tissues. Think of them as the 4 main food groups for building a body. Each has a different structure and specific job. First is epithelial tissue, your covering tissue. It covers your skin and lines your organs like your stomach and lungs. It's the gatekeeper of your body, protecting, absorbing, and secreting. Connective tissue is incredibly diverse. It can be tough like tendons connecting muscles to bones, liquid like blood transporting nutrients, or hard like bones providing your body's framework. Muscle tissue is all about movement. There are 3 kinds: skeletal muscle you control for walking and waving, smooth muscle in your organs working automatically, and cardiac muscle in your heart pumping tirelessly. Finally, nervous tissue, your body's information superhighway. Made of neurons that transmit electrical signals, it allows you to think, feel, and react. It's how your brain tells your leg to kick a ball. What do we use histology for? When a doctor takes a biopsy, it goes to a pathologist who examines it under a microscope, looking for clues. This microscopic view is often the only way to be sure about a diagnosis, especially for cancer. This science began with a Dutch fabric merchant named Leeuwenhoek, who built microscopes and saw bacteria for the first time. From fabric dyes that became cell stains to modern medicine, histology connects us to the incredible story of our own bodies. Why does this matter to you? Understanding histology is fundamental to understanding health. When you're healthy, it's because trillions of cells are working together. Every medicine you take has been influenced by our knowledge of histology. You are walking, talking, ecosystems made of trillions of tiny parts working in concert. There's a vast, intricate, and beautiful universe right inside you. Remember the teams of tissues and cities of cells that make you.